Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Toyota TownAce Noah. It has 33,074 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It is also 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors, 1 sliding door, and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. I do have the door open, so that's why the light is on. All right. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number down here that y'all are seeing, 53,228. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 33,074. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I did want to tell you guys that we really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for the continual support. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.